Okay, I have to repeat. Sorry. So we have to prepare a report of 7,000 to 7,500 words. With that, we have to submit a skill and learning statement of 1,800 words, 2,000 words. And there are three other documents that you have to make. That is list of reference, Excel file, PowerPoint presentation. So all in all, we are supposed to submit 5 documents to OBU between November 1st to November 6th. And you will be able to get your result on and after March 18, 2026. This is period 51, right? And you have to complete your EPSM, that is ethics module as well, by September 18, 2025. The fee for this attempt is £550 that you have to pay at the time of submission of the thesis. What is the eligibility criteria? The eligibility criteria is that you have to complete your OBU within 10 years from the date of your first ACCA exam. Number one, F1 to F9, you have to complete that. That is all the skill module. Number one. Number two, you have to complete your ACCA within 10 years from the date of your first OBU. You have to complete your OBU within 10 years from the date of your first ACCA exam. By the way, this is the requirement. If you have crossed 10 years, then you can only do your OBU if you are an AC member, or if in the last 5 years you have completed 3 papers in the last 5 years. Okay. Okay. Number two. Well, in the report, in the OBU, you will be able to get the grade in the report, right? You will be able to get grade in the report. That is, you will be able to get 3 grade in the report. Either it will be A grade, B grade, or C grade. Okay. On the report, you will be able to get 3 grades: A grade, B grade, or C grade. And well, other than report, for rest of the documents, you will be able to get either pass grade or fail grade, right? So, by the way, what is the significance of this grade? Well, your F4 to F9 average marks and your report grade will determine your class of degree. This is a table of class of degree. You can see now, for example, if your average marks of F4 to F9 is 68 and above, now whether you get A grade, B grade, or C grade, you will get first division. And if you have an average marks of 50 to 52, now whether you'll be able to get first A grade, B grade, or C grade in the report, you will be able to get third division. And you can see that there is a table between the 68 and 52. You will be fit in, definitely you will be fit in somewhere in this table, right? Okay. There are 15 topics given by OBU, and you have to pick one topic. I'm not going to discuss all the 15 topics. Rather, I will be discussing that topic which all the students will be taking. And that is topic 4 or topic 5, right? I'll be taking all the questions in the end. Okay. So, so I will be telling you, or we will be discussing topic 4 or topic 5, right? If you want to see what is topic 1, 2, 3, and rest of the other, I mean, there are 15 topics, huh? So if you want to see the lecture of orientation is already uploaded on YouTube. You can go there, you can see it, right? It's already there with the name of Tahir Sartaj OBU orientation. You can see it, right? You cannot understand what is SLS. SLS is another document other than a report, right? And we will be doing this as well. We are supposed to answer two questions in that document and we will be answering. What is SLS? I'm not going to tell you now. We will be discussing it after the report, right? But this is a document that we have to prepare. Simple. Okay, so let's talk about topic number 4. This bold is the main topic heading. Analyze and evaluate. Analyze and evaluate the business and financial performance of an organization which has performed exceptionally poorly over 3 years period with a critical analysis of the reasons for its difficulties. This is about a financial analysis of a company which has performed what? Which has performed, look at this line number 2, perform exceptionally poorly. Exceptionally poorly. A company which has performed exceptionally poorly is supposed to be discussed here. Okay. Now, which company can be called as exceptionally poorly? Now, let me tell you few criteria on the basis of which you will decide that whether your company is an exceptionally poor company or not. Right? Okay, let's see this. So, for example, my main company is company A, and the performance is just like is like this. If you look at this 22, 23, and 24, if you look at the numbers are getting down. Sales down, GP margin down, NP margin, mashallah, you are in loss. You have started off with the profit, but now you are in loss. Market price down, EPS down. So can we call this company as exceptionally poor? Yes. So on the basis of financial ratios, and by the way, how many ratios are we calculating? 6 things. Sales, GP margin, NP margin, market price, earning per share, and ROS. Okay. So on the basis of these 6 things, I'm telling you that this company performance is getting down. So we can call it as exceptionally poor company. Now, should I check all the 6 things? Well, you have to check at least 2 things, right? Which gives you the indication whether this company is exceptionally poor or not. And the one is IMP, that is important. The most important is sales and NP margin. If your sales and NP margin, specifically NP margin, if your NP margin is going down, this will reduce the earning per share as well. Definitely, your earning per share is dependent on your NP margin, right? So if your NP margin is going down, your EPS will also go down. If your earning will go down, that is EPS, the market price will also go down. If your all these ratios are getting down, so definitely your ROS will also go down. Getting? So what I'm saying that in the last 3 years, the ratios are getting down. Okay. So we can call this company as a exceptionally poor company, right? So again, how many things we need to check? 6 things. Okay. Now let's talk about topic number 5. Topic 5 is basically the reversal of topic number 4. Topic 5 is basically the reversal of topic number 4. There we are talking about exceptionally poor. Here we are talking about exceptionally well. Say okay. So here we are talking about exceptionally well. Now what is the difference between exceptionally poor and exceptionally well? Now this is the reversal of topic number 4. There we are talking about exceptionally poor. Here we are talking about exceptionally well. Now here, so this one. Now we can put this here and we can put this here. Now look at this company. This is your main company, right? Now if you look at all the things, sales, GP margin, NP margin, market price, Riyaz, please do not click here. NP margin, market price, earning per share, everything is getting up. You are in loss, now you're in profit. You have GP of 25, now you are 45. 35, now 50. 70, now 100. Understand? I hope you are understanding what I'm saying, right? So, but we have to make sure one thing. If your company performance is getting up, competitors should not get up. Otherwise, this will not be exception. The topic is it's all about exception. Exception means you are the only one. The other companies are not there. You are the only one. Understand? So here we are talking about a company whose performance is getting up. Plus, those who are having a very good performance already. Now, for example, if he is already 10% in all the 3 years for NP margin, huh? And your competitor is 10, 2 and in loss. So you are already good. It's not that you have not increased. It's not necessary you increase all the time. You are already up. This means you are exceptionally well. You are already poor. Now, for example, your NP margin situation is just like this. Huh? Let's suppose your NP margin situation is just like this. So it's already poor. You got me what I'm saying? We will be discussing 14 ratios, and you people have to do 14 ratios. Three topics. First three topics. If you want three topics, which three topic? This one? You want to take these topics? Why? Good. Do you have any connection in any company in which you will be able to extract the inside information? I mean, will you be able to take out the will you be able to conduct the interview in any company in Pakistan or wherever you are? And will you be able to okay, let me do it. Let me finish this first. Okay, so what I'm saying, if you are performing good, competitors should not perform good. If competitor is low, in that case, the competitor should either be low, going down, or be consistent, but it should be below your main company. Understand? So this is the main thing that we have to ensure. Okay. Now, topic number one, analyze and evaluate the impact on the business financial performance of an organization, of an aspect of organization performance management system. If you are using any performance management system, like for example, budgetary control, absorption costing, any costing technique like absorption costing, marginal costing, activity-based costing, if you are using any uh, performance management system, that need to be evaluated, right? So for that, you should have the access of interview, questionnaire distribution access. So if you are able to have this kind of access, then you can do this topic. Otherwise, you cannot do. Topic two, analyze and evaluate the impact, positive or negative, of an internal digital or technological innovation on the operational and financial performance. So here you have to do the analysis of technological innovation, right? So for technological innovation, if you have done any technological upgradation, any new software, any process automation, any supplier or customer automation, if you have done anything like that, then you have to do it. But again, for that, you have to do internal information access is compulsory for this topic. Topic three, for this, internal information access is not compulsory, number one. Okay, so topic 3. Topic 3 says analyze and evaluate the impact on the financial performance of an organization of a recent change imposed by a regulatory environment. If there is a regulatory change, like for example, if there is a tax change, accounting standard change, legislation change, industry specific regulation changes, if there is such something like that, then you have to evaluate this. I hope I made a point. Thank you. Let's move on. Before that, let's discuss topic number 8 as well. Only topic 8. Okay, so what is topic 8? Topic 8 is basically analyze and evaluate the business and financial performance over 3 years period of an organization operating in a sector that has faced strategic and operation challenges with an emphasis on how management have addressed these challenges. Here we have to do the analysis of those companies who are facing operational and strategic challenges. Excuse me, give me a minute, sorry. Okay, sorry. So, topic is related to those companies who are facing strategic and operational challenges. What is strategic challenge? You are an import-based company. You import the raw material, you convert it, and then you sell it. And there is no alternate. You have to import it. Government banned that import. Government banned that raw material import. What will you do? Do you have any alternate? No. Close down the business and go home. Strategic challenge. Okay. Operational challenge. Uh, like for example, you are not having suitable sources. You're not having suitable sources who do this work, right? You are facing the challenge. And if they are available, they are available either on part-time. If they are available online. If they are available, they are available on very high costs that you cannot bear. You see, so these are the challenges, right? For topic 4, 5, and 8, these are we have discussed these topics now. So for topic 4, 5, and 8, we have to select a competitor as well. You have to do financial analysis, right? So for financial analysis, you have to pick a competitor as well. Now, there are rules of selecting a competitor. Now, what are the rules? The rules are, number one, the competitor should be from the same country. If not, number one rule is the competitor. Just some. Okay. So, oh, what happened? So, number one rule is the company and competitor should be from the same country. If it is not from the same country, it should at least have same currency. Now, you may have a question. If country is not same, how is that possible that the currency is same? So, we do have examples, and the examples are European Union countries, where there are a number of countries, but the currency is same. That is euro. Understand? Okay. Then, rule number 3, the sale and total asset of company and competitor should not have a difference of more than 40%. Means if my company is company A, the competitor and the sales is, for example, 100, the competitor should not be less than 60. And this is not applicable for the sales only. This is applicable equally for the total asset. Actually, I don't say 100 with 60. Means I don't want to compare a very big organization with a very small organization. What I'm saying, if your company says is 100, the competitor should not be less than 60. For example, your main company is 100, the competitor is 10. Will you be able to compare? No, it's a very big organization. This is a very small organization. A is a big company. 10 is B is a very small company. Understand? So we cannot pick this kind of comparison. Unless and until in that particular country, we don't have any other choice. Means the company is on 100, the competitor is on 50, and there is no other choice. There's no other competitor. So we have to pick it. Understand? Okay. So these are the rules. Now come back. Now year end rule. What is year end rule? The year end rule is OBU has given a how to pick the year end. We have to do 3 years analysis now. So how to pick the year end? Which latest 3 years? So OBU has given you a deadline. We have 90-day rule. What is 90-day rule? From the submission date, from the submission date, we have to work back 90 days. From the submission date, we have to work back 90 days. And whatever is available, take it. So my submission date is November 1st. And 90 days back is 1st August 2025. Understand? On 1st August, I mean, roughly it's 1st August, right? 1 day or 2 days, leave it. It will be back, not, I mean, it will be in the month of July. But it will be roughly around 1st August, right? So on 1st August, whatever is the latest financials available, you have to pick. Now let's talk about, let's take the example of year end. For example, my company year end is December. So definitely the latest should be 22, 23 and 24 because December 25 will be, it will come after your submission. We are not supposed to take it. What about June? Well, for June, you have to see if June 25, if it is available till 1st August 2025, you have to pick. If it is available after 1st August 2025, should we pick? No. Right? So if 25 is available, we will be taking 25, 24, 23. If June 25 year end is available, financial statement of June 25 is published till 1st August, then we have to take. If it is published after 1st August, are we supposed to take? No. Understood? Of course, comparison should be like with like. Hassan is asking, main company and competitor both are rising. But competitor is actually not rising that much. I cannot say anything. I cannot give you a journal statement on this. I have to see the ratios and then you can sell it. I have to see the ratios and then I can tell you. I cannot comment like this. And your company will be decided by me. You have to send the ratios to me of all the 3 years of 3 years of company, 3 years of competitor. Then I will tell you whether you have to pick or not. Can we discuss NP, GP, NP, OP? No. You have to discuss GP or NP. If you have GP, don't discuss OP. If you have OP, don't discuss GP. Okay. Now these are the countries for which we can pick the companies. You are not supposed to pick all the countries. Only these countries: Europe, Canada, Australia, UK, USA. First one. Other than that, only those companies or those countries can be picked where the company is very big, huge around the globe, other than China. You cannot pick Chinese companies because company's information is available in Chinese language. You cannot pick. So no India, no Pakistan, no Middle East, no Saudi, nothing. Do we have to calculate and discuss? Means you have to give it to me, the Excel sheet, the screenshot of all your ratios. The six thing that I told you all. You have to give it to me. 3 years of company, 3 years of competitor. Green me a screenshot in WhatsApp, and I will confirm that whether you can pick this company or not. Well, this I don't know whether BYD or Tesla is taken or not. I don't know. BYD is Chinese company, if I'm not wrong. If it is Chinese company, you cannot pick. Okay, this is my previous attempt result. In last attempt, it was last means November 24 because May 25 result is not yet out. So last, it was 108 in total. 99 got passed. Before that, it was 80 total. 78 passed. Again, before that, it was 82 attempted, 80 passed, and you can see the rest. That's it, and that's all from the orientation. If you have any question, please ask me. Thank you. Date? You mean this date? Ariba. Which date? How you are going to select the company year end? Are you going to calculate the financial? Are you going to do the analysis of 2015, 2016, and 2017? No. You have to pick latest 3 years. How you are going to pick the latest 3 years? So OBU has given you a rule. That rule is called 90-day rule. What is that 90-day rule? So from the submission date, work back 90 days. I mean, go back 90 days. So submission date is November 1st. 90-day back is around 1st August, right? Roughly. So on that date, that is 1st August, which latest 3 years financials are available? Whatever is available, take it. Simple. When do we send the ratios to you? Tonight or as soon as possible. If there is no COG, so how to calculate GP? If there is no COG, this means that the company is not a manufacturing company. It's a service-based company. In that case, you will be having operating costs and you will be calculating operating profit margin. You will be calculating operating profit margin. Um, is there any pre-registration with OBU before RAP submission? No. You just need to complete your ethics module and complete your F1 to F9. And you should also ensure that you will be doing this OBU within 10 years from the date of your first CCC exam. Any other question? So normally कितना time लगता है रैप complete करने में? Is it easy, doable? So let me translate this since we have international students as well. He's asking how many normally in how many time will be able to complete this project? If you will be able, if you are going to take the admission on with me, I will be giving you the recorded lectures as well, right? So you can, other than the lectures, you will only be it will not take you more than a month, maximum a month to do this work because the hours required is around 40 to 45. Like term changes and disclosure. Yeah. What is term changes and disclosure? What do you mean by this difficult thing? What is term changes and disclosure? Don't bother. Don't think too much. Do the analysis first off. Yes, anything else? Okay, thank you so much, everyone. See you all next week. I'm repeating the timetable. Who is this? Pens? Anyways. Just a minute. Sir, for the resubmission of topic 6, you are for resubmission of topic 6? Send me your result. Send me your result. Well, timing. Sunday, 9 to 10 p.m. Pakistan time. This is for Urdu language. For English language, Monday, 9 to 10 Pakistan time. Simple. Anything else? Ganesh, send me the result. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. See you all next week. Thank you. Take care. Bye. No IFRS? What do you mean by no IFRS? Sunday 9 to 10 would be class for Urdu. Yes. Monday 9 to 10 would be class for English. Impact? Yeah, of course. Don't think about too much. Mashallah, you have a lot of work to do. So just do the analysis first of all. Be a horse. Do you know what is horse? Do you know what is the theory behind the horse? They put this, what do you call it? I don't know. You put horse is always like this, so that he has a this kind of vision. So be a horse. Don't deviate here and there. You have 2 months. 2 months are not too much, but not too less, but they are not too much as well. So you have to invest your time very carefully. Please talk about OBU value in. Yeah. Can we pay the? We can also pay the fee later as well. By the way, yes, you can pay the fee later 1 month before the result date. You can also pay this. It's allowed. Please talk about OBU value in US and Canada. It's bachelor's. It is recognized all over the world. Even as it's recognized in your US as well. It is a bachelor. It's a 3 years bachelor. It is recognized even in Pakistan and around the globe. And mashallah, you are getting it in just 550 pounds. Why? It's because whatever Oxford Brookes graduates studied in the 3 years of their bachelor's, you are already doing it. Or you have already done it in F1 to F9. That's why they are giving you. And the only thing that you have not done is the what? Is the thesis. That's why they are asking you to give it. Otherwise, and take it. Because the next one which is coming, that is University of London, this will cost you minimum $3,000. Minimum. 3,000 pound, not dollar. No, 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 no. 10 to 11 will be available for English. Means will 10 to 11 be available for English? No issues if not. No, not 10 to 11 because 10 to 11 I have another class. 1 year study. 1 year study as well. 1 year study. MashaAllah. Sorry, I forget that. Yes, 1 year you have to study as well. You have to complete a module as well. And 3,000 pound is what? 3,000 pound is in Pakistan is 1.2 million. If I'm not wrong. 3,000 into what's the rate? 340? If I'm not wrong, roughly. So this is 1 million cost. So it's a very high. 380, mashallah. Sorry, malish. 1.1 million, mashallah. Good. Enjoy. It's very high cost. And here you are, how much you are paying? 550. Take this OBU and move on. 1 year. No, 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 no. Can you give any practical demo or sample? Yes, I will be giving you the sample thesis as well. The what is sample? Sample is my previous attempt pass student thesis. I will be writing down that if you're going to copy paste anything from that, you will be responsible for your result. So you're not supposed to copy paste. Number one. Number two, that is only given for the sake of reference. Okay, this is the final form of thesis. This is a submitted thesis. This is A grade thesis. You understand? So that you will have an idea, but no copy pasting. OBU points in WS. I have taken WS equivalency. What is WS? WES is basically WES. WES is giving you the equivalence of education in Canada, right? So even I have taken that. And I have, mashallah, I have ACCA, I have a fellow member of ACCA, a fellow member of ICAP, and I've also done SEMA, right? So mashallah, I have so many. So I have given them only OBU and ACCA. So they have given me 4 years of bachelor's. Classes will be recorded form. Yes, classes are also available in form recorded, but recorded is not available for the current one. The last attempt recording will be available. It will be the same. Don't worry. Means difference between only ACC and ACC plus OBU. ACC is not recognized in Canada. OBU as a bachelor is recognized in Canada. Even in US. Can we appeal if we fail? Yes. If you will fail, you will be able to appeal. By the way, every attempt, I have 8 to 10 students always fail. So I give, it's free of cost. The appeal is free of cost. So I ask them appeal. In that, 2, 3 students also got passed. In those samples, can't we present the ratios and their graph in the same way as it will be presented in those samples? You can do it, but you are not supposed to copy paste the narration. This is what I'm asking you to not to do. Format is something which is given by OBU. Any cost of appeal, nothing, zero. What is the last passing rate? What is the last passing? My or OBU? OBU passing ratio is 60%. 60, I think 60 or 65 somewhere. My passing ratio is this is more than 95%. In last attempt, it was 108 in total and 99 got passed. Is the final report to the exam center, or we have to write in span of 6 days? Is the final report to what kind of English this is? Sorry, I don't understand. I don't understand what you are asking. I have another class, please. So please keep these questions for the next class. Thank you so much. And if you have any question, or if you feel that no, this has to be answered, this is something that I want to take the answer, then message me. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. See you all next week. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Bye-bye. And take admission, by the way. Ganesh is saying something. I really need your help. I will do whatever it takes to pass OBU. Okay, okay. It's okay. Easy.